As you can see, the first floor is already complete. You can see this the inner part. First floor completed already. As you can see, first floor already completed. And here the other side. Right here, where the staircase gonna go up to attach with the second step. Right now, as you can see, we are on the second step now. The second step is going so fast. Well, I want us to meet someone, which is the engineer of the building. By name is Tawa. Greetings, sir. Fine, sir. So how is the work going? No, I can see, as I can see the work is moving so well. I can also see it's moving well. So, sir, when do you think you guys will get to the decking? Okay, so by 2 weeks we'll be talking about the decking. Okay, sir. So, what can you say to those, to the sponsors of this building, of this project?
Well, they're trying, but if all of us will work hard, they can supply me in 2 weeks, and this will bring the decking.
Okay, so
Though we have a lot of the material as of now.
okay. So that was Mr. Awa Patrick. As you can see, he's just assuring us how far the work is going. The work is going from strength to strength, and as we've heard from him, from 2 weeks we will be talking about the decking. So thank you, sir.
Yeah. As you see, we are putting up the rods, which is the strongest part of the job. So as soon as this one is over,